Hello, beautiful people, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Chef Shah. On today's episode, we'll be making Fiesta shrimp bowls, bursting with flavor, vibrant colors, and packed with nutrients. This recipe card is in the description box below. It has also been displayed on the screen for your convenience. Screenshot it and use for later. You're going to start by washing your rice. Then combine all of your liquids into a saucepan. Bring the liquids to a boil, then add your rice. Reduce the pan to a simmer and cook your rice for 25 to 30 minutes until the rice is tender yet cooked through. Next, you're going to prep and prepare your sides and garnishes for your dish. First, chop garlic until it reaches your desired texture. Cut asparagus, then set aside. In a hot, slightly smoking saute pan, add olive oil, asparagus, chopped garlic, salt, and pepper. Saute for 3 to 5 minutes until asparagus is slightly tender, yet still crisp. Next, you're going to shred some purple cabbage, add red wine vinegar, and your seasoning blend. Mix, then set aside. Moving on, take a jalapeno and thinly slice a few rounds. This is for your garnish, so use at your discretion. Once you're done, set it aside. Next, chop freshly washed cilantro, then set aside. Juice 1 lime, then set it aside. In a bowl with clean and deveined shrimp, add your seasoning blend, garlic, cilantro, lime juice, olive oil, mix, and set aside. sauté pan, add oil and allow the pan to become hot and slightly smoky. Add your marinated shrimp and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until the shrimp are opaque and cooked through. Then set aside. Let's plate up. On the screen, I provided recommendations of garnishes and sides you can add to your bowl. Get creative with your choices. And there you have it, Fiesta shrimp bowls. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and please feel free to tag me in your recreations on IG. I'd love to see them and repost them. Thanks for watching.